everyone. I wanted to share with you today some information about fabric. I was looking through some fabrics for some clients and thought this might be a great topic to cover today. So first thing is there are different types of fabrics for different applications. So if you have a drapery fabric, it's not going to be as heavy duty as if you have an upholstery fabric. Now, one way to check if you're out fabric shopping for your furniture, on the back of the fabric there's going to be a double rub testing information. So all that means to you is when they test the fabric, there's a machine that it goes into, and then it has a double rub, and that is counted until it starts to show wear on the fabric. So if you have something that's like 7,000 or 12,000 double rubs, it's okay for residential. But if you want something that's even more durable, 30,000 double rubs or well beyond that is going to last a very long time. I've seen some fabrics that are 100,000 or 120,000 double rubs, and they don't feel stiff, and they don't feel like sandpaper. They're really great fabrics. So that's another thing. If you're looking at fabrics and they're at a fantastic fabric mill, you're going to get what you pay for, obviously. If you're looking for a fabric that's going to be very durable, look for something that's more than 30,000 double rubs for your upholstery, and you'll be happy with it for a very long time. Thanks for joining. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so that every day when I do these design dailies, you are informed, and you can take a quick listen and learn something new about the design industry. Thanks for joining.